Hello YouTube viewers, Zach here from ZDB Industries, and today I'm just going to be giving you guys a quick video on how to apply snap rivets to a hockey mask. Now I'm going to be using a corner of a post or something, mask, a hammer, center tool, and the other female part obviously, but put it on corner like so. Then you put the female part over. You get your setter with the divoted side. This is kind of hard to see, so I apologize. Hopefully this is... They start pounding. Ooh. And put a couple more pounds into it. And end results, you'll have a rivet in your mask, as so. Might get a little bit of dirt in it if it's raining and the wood is wet, or wood or whatever, but it's easy fix, easy clean, and that is how you apply snaps to a hockey mask. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope this helped, and see you guys next one. Peace.